In this video, I'll show you how to perform a print head alignment on your Epson ET-2850. So let's get started. First, press the home button. Then you're going to press the right side arrow 2 times until you see settings on the display. Press OK. Select maintenance by pressing OK. And now with the right arrow over here, you're going to press it a few times until you get print head alignment. It's page 4 out of 7. Press OK. And you'll have to choose between vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. You can actually do both of them, so we can start with vertical alignment. Press OK. They'll ask us to load a sheet of paper in the back, a letter size or A4. I already loaded some paper, and press this button over here so the printer prints a page. So this got printed. All we have to do now is to press OK, and you'll see here number 1, and they'll ask us to select. Okay, these are 7 different tests, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll start with the first one. So over here, this line is test number 1. That is why on the screen it says number 1. And we need to choose the square that looks the best. By looking the best, I mean the one that has the least amount of lines in it. If we look closely, in my case over here, the number 2 is the one that looks the best. So it's clean, it doesn't have white lines comparing to the other ones. So I'll go ahead and on the display here, I'll select number 2 simply by using the up and down arrow on the control panel and press OK. Now we'll go to test number 2 as it says here. So for the number 2, I'll look, and in my case, number 5 is the one that looks the best. It almost has no white line. So I'll go here, select 5, OK, and you'll do the same thing for number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7. Obviously, whatever I just input here will be different on your printer. Don't copy my results because each printer is different, and this is why such a test exists. So I'll go ahead and do it, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so alignment complete. And now you can do the other type of alignment. So go ahead, select print head alignment, and instead of selecting vertical alignment this time, select horizontal alignment. Press OK. Press the print button here, and it will print another page for another test. For this one, they will tell us, for this test, we'll be asked to select one of these set of rectangles. We need to select the one that doesn't overlap and don't have a white line in the middle. As it says here, choose the rectangles that are not separated or overlapped. So press OK and take a look. Now from my test, it's a bit hard to see on the camera, but I would say that number 4 is the one that looks the least overlapped compared to the other one and doesn't have a white line separating those 2 rectangles in the middle. So I'll go ahead and select number 4, press OK, and alignment will be completed. This is all. This is it. You don't have anything else to do. You can press the home button, and this is it. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, comment down below, check my Amazon links if you want ink for your printer or any other things, and I'll see you in the next video.